If you want to reset your Duolingo course, here's the easiest way to do it in just few steps. So if you're using the Duolingo app, you won't see a direct reset option here, but don't worry, here's what you gotta do. First, open a browser on a phone or computer, and you have to search for Duolingo. Go ahead and sign in or log into your account from the official website. Once you are logged in, click on your profile icon from the top right corner. Now choose settings from the left sidebar. From here, select course. If you have multiple courses, you have to remove other first. And now right next to the last course, you will find the reset option. Now click on it and confirm your choice. And that's it. You have reset the courses. After that, you can go back to the Duolingo app and start fresh or even add a new language course from here. Isn't it really easy? I hope this guide helped you a lot. Like the video and subscribe for more tips.